Seluruh dunia kripto sedang menunggu kripto summit yang akan berlangsung pagi nanti 2:30 pagi Malaysian time, around there lah. This is when Trump is going to be talking about the future of crypto and what his plans are with it. So tadi President Trump telah sign executive order officially creating a Bitcoin strategic reserve. But my thoughts are still the same. Saya masih rasa ini akan menjadi a sell the news event at the crypto summit. But leading up to it, the market will expect uh, the market is looking for anything bullish that they can jump on lah. So likely leading up to the summit dan semasa summit, there might be some pumps. But after that, it's important to see how the market maintains its strength. Dan saya rasa mungkin tidak boleh, and there's a few reasons why. First of all, mari kita tengok video ini dan cuba dengar apa dia cakap dalam video ini.
Today we're signing, and this is very historic, an executive order establishing a strategic Bitcoin reserve and digital asset stockpile. This is a promise that you made throughout the campaign, and today we're keeping that promise. The reserve will be capitalized with Bitcoin that the federal government already owns.
So dengar apa dia cakap. Dia cakap the reserve will be capitalized with Bitcoin that the government already owns.
So it won't cost taxpayers a dime.
It won't cost taxpayers a dime. Maksudnya, they're not going to be buying any more Bitcoin. Right? The US government is creating a strategic reserve and they're not buying any Bitcoin. Okay, so going back to apa yang Trump cakap a few days ago, that they will be including coins like XRP, Solana, and ADA, it doesn't make sense that they would put these altcoins into a strategic reserve, but they're not even buying any more Bitcoin, right? Sebab Bitcoin is the only real commodity in crypto. Kan, all these other altcoins are basically private owned stocks lah, basically, right? Solana is created privately. Ripple, XRP is created privately. ADA is created privately. Right, so it won't make sense for them to actually buy these altcoins and put it into a strategic reserve. Yeah, so
this is like a digital Fort Knox for digital gold. And premature sales of Bitcoin over the past years cost American taxpayers over $17 billion in lost value because we didn't have a long-term strategy.
Right.
Now we do.
And this is something you believe in?
100%, yeah.
Okay.
And the whole community believes in it.
Very good. And they made the promise, right?
Absolutely.
Made the promise, okay. Okay, so he did last sign the executive order for Bitcoin. A Bitcoin strategic reserve. Bitcoin, but okay. Bitcoin strategic reserve where they're not buying any Bitcoin. So I don't see how this could positively affect the price of Bitcoin. Kalau mereka beli banyak Bitcoin, let's say Trump announced that they're going to buy 1 trillion worth of Bitcoin in the next 5 or 10 years, then that will positively affect the price of Bitcoin. But for now, it doesn't say anything about buying more Bitcoin. The only thing he said is dia akan tambah ADA, Solana, XRP, which is quite weird sebab all of these are privately owned companies and founder dia pun bukan, they're not the best people in the world, right? Ripple founder support Harris, dia telah bagi 11.8 million kepada Harris, right? So Trump suddenly tiba-tiba nak support someone that supported his enemy, which is weird. The founder of Ethereum pun bukan Bitcoin supporter, right? He's a capitalist. Dia tak percaya bahawa Bitcoin ada value, which is very, very weird. And macam saya cakap tadi, semua crypto ni is not a commodity. It's not a neutral commodity. They've all been mined they've all been created in order to generate profit untuk insider dan untuk creator. Right, you can see Cardano ada 17% yang telah dimine untuk insider. Solana ada 48% yang telah dibagi kepada insider. Right, so to add this crypto to the reserve is not beneficial for the crypto community, right? I mean, it's beneficial for these coins themselves, but I don't see how it can benefit the actual crypto space unless you're adding Bitcoin, which is the real neutral commodity. Okay, so that's why saya rasa leading up to this crypto summit, there might be some bullish news, right? Specifically untuk crypto yang dia telah mention yang dia nak tambahkan kepada strategic reserve. But after that, I don't see how this can maintain its bullish strength unless, macam saya cakap tadi, Trump announced that US akan start beli Bitcoin. Okay, so that being said, let's take a look. Saya akan tunjuk anda level yang saya sedang monitor untuk enter trade and which crypto I'm actually looking at to potentially enter and take advantage of this news that is coming up, right? So sebelum saya mula, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. We had some pretty good trades yesterday, shorts on res and drift, and also I have been looking at AVAX, right? AVAX, I'm just going to get into it right now. AVAX is a US made crypto yang ada ETF application yang telah dijemput kepada Crypto Summit, and Trump belum lagi mention apa-apa pasal AVAX. Dia telah mention pasal XRP, ADA, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, but nothing about AVAX yet, right? And AVAX, you can see it falls into made in USA. It's attending the White House Crypto Summit and the other ETF application. So there's a possibility that AVAX might be mentioned during the Crypto Summit, which is why saya telah enter sebuah position on AVAX. So let's take a look at the charts right now. One thing I want to talk about first, if you guys nak take advantage of this news coming up, make sure you guys register untuk Maxi sebab ada 20 USDT bonus. You guys can use this money. 20 USDT hampir RM100 you guys boleh guna untuk trade dan untuk try to make profit from this upcoming news. So link saya akan letak di bawah. Now let's get into the charts. So for Bitcoin, we were actually looking at this level here, and I think I posted in the community that we were looking to take out this weekend liquidity, right? This weekend liquidity right here looked quite juicy, lining this up, right? We lined this up with the golden pocket here. So we came right into it, we got what we wanted, and now we have come back up. Okay, so what we're looking for now is a continuation higher. Okay, we want a continuation higher. So we have gotten a rejection right here, which is the level yang kita tengok semalam, right? Remember we said golden pocket, right? Plus the liquidity level, plus I think there was a point of control right here, if I believe. Yeah, so look at where we rejected on. Okay, beautiful bounce right here. And currently, if anyone had taken this trade, saya personally, I did not take this trade sebab saya masa dia bounce ni, it was like 8 AM. Yeah, so saya masih tidur. But if anyone took this trade, congratulations, you dah dapat sedikit profit. So what I'm looking for now is I'm looking to see if Bitcoin can actually maintain this strength towards the upside. Okay, can we actually maintain towards the upside and break this previous level? So the plan for Bitcoin remains the same. We want it to maintain and not go below this previous low yang dia telah buat di sini. Okay, it's quite weird that we had a dump when Trump signed the strategic reserve, but that could have been because he didn't mention anything about buying Bitcoin. Okay, so we'll have to see apa dia cakap masa Crypto Summit at 2:30 AM later, right? But for now, I'm still bullish until after the summit. So everything leading up dari sekarang sampailah ke Crypto Summit nanti, I'm still going to look for long positions. Okay, so for Bitcoin, that being said, since I have missed this entry, I will see if I can get a new entry. Let's say if we get a pullback, let me just zoom in a little bit. Okay, we have not been able to break this high. Let's see, we pulled back. Did we hit the 618 here? Okay, we pulled back to the 618, the bearish 618. I would likely re-enter if we touch the 618 level again. Stop loss, saya akan letak sini. Take profit, I would like to see it break this high. If we get some good news from Trump. They announced they nak beli Bitcoin, then we could have the strength to actually challenge this previous high, which lines up with some liquidity. Right here we have 100 and almost 140 million in liquidity at 95,000, and above that 166 million at 96.8. So 95 and 96 would be the target. So 95 right here all the way up to 96. So yeah, that is just above our resistance level. So I would like to see price, saya nak tengok dia give me a better entry lah. I want a better entry, and saya nak tengok dia break resistance ini, and yang penting ialah kita boleh maintain di atas resistance ini selepas news crypto summit itu keluar. Okay, because I still believe that it will be a sell the news event. After the news, it will be a sell the news event. That being said, let's take a look at dua crypto yang saya sedang monitor juga, which is XRP and AVAX. So AVAX, I have been layering down from here. Agak tinggi juga saya layer from the 3.8 level. Saya layer all the way down to 7.86, and I did share this in the private Telegram. So you can see I've been layering since last night all the way down, and currently sitting in a bit of profit. So AVAX, I think now is also a decent time to enter, but this would be more on a more fundamental based trade, right? Yes, ada technical sikit, but a majority of this trade is betting on the fact that Trump akan sebut sesuatu pasal AVAX, and that will cause the price to go up. So this is more of a fundamental trade that I'm looking for. Okay, so this is my position on AVAX. XRP, I was looking to enter around here, but again, I missed the entry. So if we can get a better entry, let's say when the US market open petang nanti, could we possibly get a pullback? I wouldn't mind entering around 2.4, under 2.5 lah would be better for an entry. So under 2.5 would be my ideal entry. Stop loss, I'll just put it below this low right here and take profit. Hopefully we can target the new high. So these are the positions yang saya sedang merancang untuk enter lah. Not financial advice, please do your own research guys. Jangan copy apa saya buat. Okay, so itu saja untuk video kali ini. Make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. Cuba bagi, I'm not an expert on these fundamentals, right? So what do you guys think pasal strategic reserve ni? Is it actually good? Is there something that I'm missing? Yeah, what are your thoughts? Cuba komen di bawah. See you guys in the next video.